Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best quick-release skewer is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for any cyclist, offering a simple yet effective way to secure your wheels and ensuring smooth rides. This video will dive deep into what makes a great quick-release skewer, exploring key features like material, security mechanisms, and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your cycling experience and keep you safe on the road. Number 5. CYSKY Bike Axle Skewers. These durable and practical skewers are perfect for most bikes. They're made of iron for long-lasting performance. Notice the difference in length? We have a shorter skewer for the front wheel and a longer one for the rear, ensuring a perfect fit. The front wheel skewer features a 10.8 cm hollow shaft and a 16 cm quick-release lever. It's designed for easy installation and removal. The rear wheel skewer has a 14.5 cm hollow shaft and a 19 cm quick-release lever. It provides the strength and security needed for the rear wheel. Repairing your mountain bike just got easier. These skewers are designed for quick and simple wheel changes. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, these skewers are a must-have. They're the perfect choice for any bike enthusiast. What we like. It's made of durable iron, and comes with different sizes for front and rear wheels. If you need a reliable and affordable option for quick repairs on your mountain bike, this is a great choice. Its simple design makes it perfect for everyday use and quick fixes. What people say. Installation was easy. The scooter had sealed bearings, so some parts were not needed. The axle slipped in nicely. Fit right into place to replace my old quick release that snapped after years of use. This is a very good product to convert a mountain bike from bolt-on standard axles to quick-release axles. The front bolt in the kit was just about 1 millimeter too wide and was easy to file down to the perfect width. The rear bolt was perfect width. Number 4. Wileosix Quick-Release Skewer Set. Upgrade your bike with our new quick-release skewer set. It's designed for both road and mountain bikes, providing a secure and easy way to attach your wheels. It features durable aluminum CNC levers and 304 stainless steel axles. This combination ensures strength, safety, and long-lasting performance. The quick-release mechanism makes wheel installation and removal a breeze. Spend less time fiddling and more time riding. With a 4.5 mm axle diameter, a 150 mm front skewer, and a 185 mm rear skewer, it's compatible with most standard road and mountain bikes. Each pack includes one pair of skewers, one for the front wheel and one for the rear. You'll have everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade. The serrated aluminum nut provides extra grip, ensuring your wheels stay securely fastened, giving you peace of mind on every ride. What we like. This one boasts an aluminum CNC lever and stainless steel axles for superior strength and safety. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting skewer that can withstand intense riding, this is the one for you. Its robust construction ensures a secure fit and lasting performance. What people say. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap, works well and fits like a glove on my giant Escape. They seem to be good quality and well built, and look sharp as well. They are holding up well and I weigh 225 pounds. There are a lot of threads and the screws can protrude through the cap, which allows this to fit a wide range of lengths. This is so helpful because I had no idea what length to buy when I lost axle nuts for my bike. Number 3. Zsling Bike Skewers. These bike skewers are a must-have for any cyclist. They're made from durable CRMO aluminum alloy and come in 4 colors. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, ensuring a secure and reliable connection between your wheels and bike frame. They're designed for easy installation and removal, making wheel changes a breeze. A shorter lever is for the front, and a longer one for the rear. These skewers are compatible with most mountain bikes, road bikes, and BMX bikes. They fit 100 mm front and 135 mm rear hubs. Experience the difference of superior quality and reliable performance. They're built to last and enhance your riding experience. Choose from 4 stylish colors to match your bike's aesthetic. They're a perfect blend of functionality and style. What we like. Made from lightweight yet durable CRMO aluminum alloy and available in multiple colors, it's a stylish and practical choice. If you prioritize a lightweight yet strong skewer with a touch of personality, and need compatibility with various bike types, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cycling styles. What people say. They are high quality and work like they should. They look nice, are sturdy, and function flawlessly. They feel sturdy, they went on seamlessly and haven't had any issues. Number 2. Alpcour Replacement Skewer. This will be your bike trainer's new best friend. It fits perfectly on your bike's rear wheel axle, keeping you steady and preventing tipping. It's a rear wheel replacement skewer, saving you time and effort. Installation and removal are quick and easy. It features a quick release for easy locking. It's simple for beginners yet sturdy enough for intense professional training. It's compatible with most bike trainers, but works best with Alpcour stands. It fits rear axles with a diameter of 4.92-6.57. Made with high-quality alloy, it's incredibly hard, sturdy, and corrosion-resistant. It's built to last through any weather and countless training sessions. What we like. This skewer is designed for hassle-free setup and a secure fit on your bike trainer. If you're a beginner or a professional cyclist who values ease of use and a reliable connection for indoor training, this is perfect. Its robust construction ensures stability during intense training sessions. What people say. Strong construction and a good fit. I bought an Alpcour bike trainer used, but it was missing axle skewer to be able to connect the wheel to the trainer. This worked perfectly and was easy to use. I bought this quick connect skewer to solve an issue created when I installed a front bicycle rack on my mountain bike. The rack added a 1/2 inch to overall necessary length to secure the rack struts to the quick connect skewer. And, this worked perfectly. I liked the silver color of the release mechanism of this part. Number 1. CyclingDeal Bike Trainer Skewer. It's so simple to install and remove, it's the perfect replacement for your old skewer. Just attach it and you're ready to ride. The secure design is compatible with most trainers. It's built to prevent damage to your bike frame. It fits both road bikes and mountain bikes. This makes it a versatile option for many cyclists. Made from high-quality materials, it's strong enough to handle your bike and your weight. Enjoy a safe and secure workout. We offer a 1-year warranty because we're confident in its quality. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's made with pride in Taiwan, ensuring high standards of quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and performance. What we like. It's easy to install and offers a secure fit, compatible with most trainers. If you need a reliable replacement skewer for your indoor cycling trainer that's easy to use and universally compatible, this is a great choice. Its simple design and secure fit will enhance your indoor cycling experience. What people say. It is just like the one that came with the Sportaneer bike stand and is so easy to install. Fits well and the axle is the correct thickness for mountain bikes. Good quality. Exact fit, form and function replacement for the original Smart Trainer axe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.